Welcome to Biology. Biology.
Hello everyone, today is my refrigerator clean and organized day. So my refrigerator is just like utterly cluttered, but it's like 4 or 5 things that may be close to being out of date. So guys, let's clean. I'm going to take everything out, clean my refrigerator down with some bleach, and then we're going to redo everything. But you're going to see what I do as I do this. So guys, here's some music. Let's get busy.
Woke up in the kitchen, say that out. Did this shit happen? Okay, drunk in love. Whip it up. Running from the booth, and we did it on the floor. So she walking kind of funny, should've never put this on. Bitch, I'm only 24, and everybody's salty. Niggas, stop your bitching. Everybody making money, we don't need to kick it. I'm dealing with my niggas, everybody got a clip. Did an album just to do it, dropping albums like a blip. Percocets, ecstasy, see, we did it for a week. I don't sleep with my enemies, gotta stay sane. It's like a full-time hobby. Everything I do, say you niggas always copy. All I wanna do is go on tour and drop albums. And if I live forever.
Okay, so what I clean my refrigerator is with Dawn dish detergent, hot water, and sometime a little bit of vinegar, and plus my trusty Clorox too. Okay, you may notice that my top shelf in the door, which would be considered your butter area, I did not open that and move anything because that's my husband's insulin and I did not need to move it.
I'm not trying to fuck tomorrow, baby, I want I want your number. I'll call you back if that head right, baby. I won't love you, I can't love you unless that pussy got some superpowers. I want I'm not trying to fuck tomorrow, baby. I want woke up in the kitchen, say that out. Did this shit happen? Okay, drunk in love. Whip it up.
These are some of the refrigerator plastic savers, and they're just organizers to keep your refrigerator organized. So all of these are what I am going to use. So I'm gonna go through first, check on my days if it is close to in the next week to go out. Yes, guys, I'm gonna pitch it. Okay, have gone through and look at all dates. Now I'm going to organize first my door. How I am organizing this, I'm putting all of my anything that's a type of a pickle on my first. My second one, anything that is a condiment. Then I'll drop down to let you know what would be on my third shelf.
Geeking on the water, nah. I'm not tryna fuck tomorrow, baby, I want, nah. Hey, take my, want your number. I'll call you back if that head right, baby, I won't love you, I can't love you. Unless that pussy got some superpowers, I want, nah.
So on my third shift, which really is my fourth, I'm going to put larger areas here, such as this barbecue sauce that my husband loves. So it is in a bigger quantity from Sam's. So I will be adding the bigger quantities on this shelf. So this is my inside of the refrigerator. I have stopped placing some things in there, but of course you see I have lots of space where nothing is at. Once again, here is my door. I have it totally organized. All of my pickles, then my condiments, then the larger items, and then on the bottom is just some milk and juice. So this is how I organize my space savers. I have my fruits and my vegetables because almost everybody in the house now is keto. So keto and healthy eating. I won't just say keto, just healthy eating. So first I have all of my lemons and limes in a container. This is Greek yogurt, and yes guys, that's my little sneak treat. And I have my eggs. So I have one with 21 and the other one is for 12. And here's my grapefruit and oranges. So guys, let's get it refrigerated.
Geeking on the water, nah. I'm not tryna fuck tomorrow, baby, I want, nah. Hey, take my, want your number. I'll call you back if that can't love. Unless that pussy got some superpowers, I want. I'm not trying to fuck tomorrow, baby. I want. Woke up in the kitchen, say that out. Did this shit happen? Okay, drunk in love. Whipping up.
Here's the reveal. So guys, everything is nice and neat. Everything is visible. Everything is very hands-free, just to grab and go. And I just love all of the colors. You have your yellow, reds. It's just nice and colorful, and you know everything is healthy. So guys, I'm gonna continue with this and let you listen to the music and view my after. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and thumbs up my video, guys. Until the next time, bye.